How to create an Instagram page for a business. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and you will be led to the login portal. Here, tap on the create new account option you see there in order to create a brand new account for your business. Further, go ahead and enter your username and then go ahead and tap on the next option you see there. Make sure to enter a username related to your business in order to make people simply search for your business by just searching for the name. Now, tap on next and you will then be required to see if Instagram account has already been linked to Instagram Account Center. If yes, then simply connect it. Further, go ahead and accept all the terms and policies of Instagram. And once done, with this, your Instagram profile for your Instagram business will be ready. Now, in the interface that you will then be led to, you will be required to enter and firstly follow a few people in order to proceed with your new profile. So go ahead and search for the people that you want to follow and simply skip all the steps for the time being. Now, once you are in your profile, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for account types and tools. Tap on the account type and tools option you see there, and now in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the switch to professional account option. Further, tap on next, and now in the interface that you will then be led to, go ahead and choose the business that describes your business the best and then tap on the switch to professional account button you see there at the bottom. In here, make sure to choose the business option instead of creator, as this is a really important step. Now, tap on next and you will then be required to enter your contact info for your business information. So go ahead and fill in the details such as your business email, your business address, and your business phone number. You will then be asked to connect to a Facebook page, but you can simply skip it for the time being. Further, go ahead and set up your professional account by showing and following the steps shown on the screen. The more professional steps that you follow, the more your account will look professional. So once you are done making all the required changes, make sure to add in the profile picture with the logo or a clean brand image, and then go ahead and add in your bio by clearly explaining what you do. Also, you can link your website, shop, or WhatsApp if required. Further, go ahead and make sure to define your content style based on what you post, your tone, your colors, and branding, and make sure to be very consistent with the post, as you can post for 3 to 5 times per week, and make sure to use photos with the products and lifestyle. Also add in reels, which is short engaging videos, and you can also add in stories daily for better reach towards your audience. You can then track your performance by tapping on the professional dashboard you see here. So this was about how you can create an Instagram page for your business. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.